Hi and welcome to the Power Flow channel. My name is Natasha and today we'll be going through this session together. To start, we will sit back of the mat in easy seat, cross-legged. Placing the right palm in front of your face using the first and the fourth finger. Inhale normal through nose. Closing the right nostril, exhale through left. Inhale left. Close, open right and exhale. Inhale right. Close, open left, exhale. Inhale left. Change, exhale. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Continue on your own this alternate breathing. Continue until the exhale reaches the left nostril. And only then we release the hands and we breathe normally. Let's turn the palms downwards. As we exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open, chest forward, head up. Exhale, we round. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Round. And open. One more. Inhale, chest forward. This time we start circling around. I will go left as I exhale, rounding the spine, and then right. Inhale, chest forward. Couple of circles in one direction. And then let's change, we go the other way. Coming to center. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, let's twist to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, fold over. Slowly we start shifting forward for a puppy pose, but we're gonna add some movement to it. So hips stacked above your knees. With exhale, let's round the spine. As we round, keep pushing the armpits down to the floor, look in between your legs. And then inhale, dropping the chest down, look forward. Exhale, round. Inhale, lower. Exhale. Inhale. Round. And lower. Exhale. Inhale. Let's stay down. Let's lift halfway, and then we thread right arm under the left, lower down. And back. Through the left arm under the right, lower down. And back. Shifting forward, lower on your belly. Arms go to the side, maybe support on your fingertips. Inhaling up. Exhale, dip the left shoulder down. Inhale. Exhale, dip the right shoulder. Inhale, center, stay. Exhale, we lower down. Palms closer to the body as we come back for child's pose. And then coming up for the first down dog. Let's pedal the feet. And slowly we start walking all the way to the top of the mat. Grabbing your elbows, let's hang down. Release. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, fold over. Planting the palms, step it back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhaling up and back to your down dog. Feet together, heels high. In, out, let's hop forward. Inhale, half. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold over. Again, plant the palms, step or hop it back. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog. And back to down dog. One more time. Feet together, heels high. We hop forward. Inhale, half. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold it over. Plant the palms, step or hop. Exhaling down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, back to down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Coming up, low lunge. Inhale. Exhale for half split, arms back. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Right arm goes back as we twist. Then slowly we start to lift the left knee up. Take another inhale. Exhale, we reverse. Circle the arms. Power lunge, airplane. Shift it forward. Warrior 3. Arms can go forward. As we stand, grab the left knee with the right hand. Another twist. Slowly let's release the right hand down for half moon. Step it back, Warrior two. Inhale forward. Exhale, reverse. Cartwheel the hands. Right leg goes back. Maybe one-legged chaturanga. Inhaling up and back to down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Low lunge, inhale. Exhale, half split. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Left arm circles. We twist. Slowly we start to lift the right knee off of the mat. Take another inhale. Exhale, we reverse. Cartwheel the hands. Power lunge, airplane. As we shift it forward, warrior three, arms forward. As we stand, left hand, right knee. Another twist. And then we lower down for half moon. Slowly step it back, warrior two. Inhale forward, exhale, reverse. Cartwheel the hands, left leg back, exhale, chaturanga. Inhaling up and back to down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, pyramid, arms back. Inhale, high. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Right arm back. Twist. Stay here. Inhale. Exhale, reverse. Let's go immediately. Warrior three. Arms go back. Exhale for Shiva. Inhale. Exhale. Warrior. Shiva. As we stand, right hand grabs the left toe and we open twist. Slowly we start to lower the left foot on the floor, still holding the toe as the right leg comes up for revolved half moon. Left palm down, standing split. And we start preparing for bird of paradise. So place the shoulder under the left leg. Take a bind. Step the right foot forward. Standing on the left toes. Full support on the right foot. We start to come up. And then we extend the leg to the side. As we release the left hand, grab the left heel and then open the leg to the side. Placing the foot top of the right knee for figure 4 chair pose. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step it down and fold over. Maybe we place the palms under the feet and fold even deeper. Release the palms. Slowly, let's walk it back off the mat. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, pyramid. Arms back. Inhale, high. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Left arm back for a twist. Another inhale. Exhale, reverse. Let's go for warrior 3. Exhale, Shiva. Inhale. Exhale. Warrior. Shiva. As we stand, left hand, right toe, open twist. Slowly dropping the right foot down and then left leg up, still holding the right toe for revolved half moon. Drop the right palm, standing split. Step it behind. Let's prepare for bird of paradise. Right arm under, left arm behind. Take a bind of the left foot forward. Place the entire weight on the left foot as we start to stand up. And we try to extend the right leg to the side. Coming back, right hand grabs the right heel. We open the leg to the side. Placing the foot top of the left knee, figure 4, chair pose. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step it down, feet wide, fold over. Let's open the feet and sit down in Malasana. Slowly, let's sit all the way down, coming into boat pose. And then we alternate, tap the right toes to floor and back up. Left, up, right, up, left, up. Another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's grab the toes. We try to balance. For the beginning, keep the legs open. And if the legs are completely straight, try to point the toes upwards so you're sitting more straight, more higher. And then once you feel you have the balance, maybe we can try to get the legs closer. Again, point the toes, lift it high. And slowly we lower down. Let's lower onto our backs. Palms next to your body. So we will bring the knees to chest, lifting the hips as well. And we use a little bit of momentum. After that, placing the feet down for a bridge pose. So it looks something like this. And then up to chest, up. Stay in your bridge, maybe interlock the fingers, bring the hips higher. Slowly we release down. Legs go up and then over the head, halasana. Slowly lower down, hugging the right knee in. And we twist. Coming back, hug the left knee in. And we twist. Back to center. Grab the feet for happy baby. Swaying slowly side to side. As we lower everything down for Shavasana. Slowly, we start to move the toes and fingers. Arms go over the head as we stretch. Shifting your body towards the right side. and slowly coming to a seated position. Palms together, maybe thumbs to your forehead. Namaste. Thank you. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this class. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe, like the channel, and I will see you in the next class. Bye.